Yeah, so this is another potential headache. So there's this idea within the International Society of Automation where I think it's ISA 18.2. It's this idea of creating a standard for what an alarm should be or shouldn't be, and the idea of potentially having too many alarms. What do you do when you're in a manufacturing operation and you have hundreds of alarms or thousands of alarms with varying priorities, varying solutions, varying complexities in their solutions? How do you even organize this in the first place? So here's a pretty typical example of some type of basic alarm log. Sure, it's color coded, and so you can see different types of alarms and different priorities. And that's all well and good, but this may still be too complicated. And so in this little example, you can see here at the top right, in one day in this application, they had 1,000 alarms. In the bottom left, they did a nice Pareto analysis, and I've actually had a manager in the past who wanted to do this exact type of application. I think this is such a great idea. You do a Pareto analysis of the alarms that are most frequently occurring, right? So you're attempting to create a Pareto distribution to find out what is causing the largest amount of downtime in your machine. And so you can see here that they've got an enormous, let's say 300, and then another 250, and another 150, so 300 plus 400 approximately. So up something like 700 out of 1,000 of those alarms are caused by these three primary alarms. And so by using AVEVA Reports, you can potentially change or optimize or improve the readability of some of these logs that perhaps you're already creating in Pi, or maybe you're creating them in Historian, or even basic logging done in Edge or InTouch. AVEVA Reports has pretty handy tools, I would say, to simplify and make more readable this type of alarm data.